Good morning, children. Let us begin with Standard 4 English Grammar, Unit 22, Compositions. We begin with the composition 1, the first compo, the season I like the most. The season I like best is spring. It is called the queen of the seasons. It is the most pleasant season in India, as it comes after the dreary winter. During this season, the weather is neither too cold nor too hot. It is mild, pleasant, and very agreeable. The sun shines brightly all the day long. Cool and refreshing winds blow. This type of weather makes people very active. Days turn warm and bright. Nights become starry and pleasant. So we are talking about the spring season. Spring season is where all the leaves and the trees, they have beautiful new leaves and flowers. So this season is very pleasant, and this season mostly it comes after the winters. So the winters which were very cold, and then the spring. So this season is not very cold and not very hot. And the people become very active in such season because they are not feeling very cold and they are not even feeling very hot. So it is a very pleasant season and the people enjoy such season. The days also, they turn a little warm. You don't sweat, and they are nice and bright, and the stars are seen at night, and it is very pleasant in the night also. This is the right season to go into a garden. Beautiful flowers bloom everywhere, and with the flowers come many insects and butterflies. The singing of birds can be heard everywhere. It shows that all creation is happy. So as I said, in this spring season, new flowers bloom, leaves grow. So as the flowers are blooming, we see different types of insects and butterflies which are attracted to these colorful flowers. We hear the birds are also singing. So everyone, not only human beings, but even the birds, they feel pleasant during this season. Bees, insects, and butterflies fly about gathering honey from the flowers. For birds, this is the season for courtship and for building their nests. During the spring season, many people visit gardens. They love to sit outdoors and enjoy the beautiful flowers. In many places, flower shows are held during the spring season. During the spring season, we celebrate the festival Basant Panchami. The holy festival remarks the end of spring. Everyone loves the spring season and waits eagerly for it. So as this season is very pleasant, people enjoy going to the gardens because it is a very pleasant climate. Flowers are blooming everywhere around. The butterflies, they gather honey from these flowers. And in many places, as the spring season, the flowers bloom. There are flower shows are kept in certain gardens where beautiful, colorful flowers are displayed. And even we celebrate Basant Panchami in the spring season. And Holi is the festival which marks the end of the spring season. It is the end of the spring season. And everyone loves this season a lot, and they wait for such a pleasant climate that we experience in the spring. Now we start with the second composition, that is on my mother. My mother. is the most beautiful woman on the earth. She is the most important member of our family. She gets up early in the morning and is busy the whole day. She runs the house and prepares tasty dishes for us. She also keeps the house neat and clean. She loves all of us equally and helps us in our studies. During anyone's illness, she nurses them with love and affection. My mother is a very kind-hearted lady. So as we all know, for all of us, our mother is a very special person in our life. And we feel that she's the most beautiful person on the earth. As we know, she wakes up early in the morning and she's working the whole day. How? Keeping the house clean. She cooks different dishes for us. And she loves us, all brothers and sisters, equally. And she also helps us in our studies. So her whole day is very busy. And sometimes when we fall sick, not only children, but anyone in the family, when someone falls sick, she takes care of them. She nurses them with whole love, care, and attention and affection. And my mother is a very kind-hearted person or a lady. I consider myself very lucky to have a mother like her. I love and respect my mother. So we consider ourselves very lucky and we should thank God that we have such a mother, loving mother to take care of us. And we all should love and respect our parents, our mother and father. So dear children, I hope you have understood both these compositions and you need to learn them by heart for your English grammar final exam. So you can write these compositions in your English notebook and keep learning. So thank you and have a nice day.